Hello, by heck.
Hello, Odie.
Yeah, I was looking for F-39, but I couldn't find it other than on the map.
Really?
Yeah, it didn't show up. Said I was right on top of it, but I couldn't see it.
Yeah, I'm heading that way to go drop some loving on it.
Yeah, I shot down a couple of their bombers instead.
It's a good-looking train, man.
Yeah, it is. We don't have a rearm pad, do we?
No, you gotta just exit and relaunch. No ICTs for this game. Get them by heck.
109's in trail.
Copy. Hopefully they're on you and not me. Two plus one, it looks like.
And by heck, just spawned a whole bunch of stuff.
Oh, I see 39. Not much to it.
It is an airfield, right?
No.
Okay.
Field.
Tank. It's just gonna have a couple of buildings. Shit, I had it. No, I lost it. In. Bombs away. Looks like I got most of it.
So yeah, Dogger was telling me a little bit about the history of the fourth man.
For the missing men?
No, the fourth man in the formation. I only hope that I live up to the reputation.
Shit, there's
Straight in-
AAA. Yeah, there's AAA pits on the hill. Oh shit, I'm getting all lit up. Another one down here as well.
Well, they must not like me too much. Or must have liked me a lot, because they didn't even open up when I flew over. I was running right down the road and died.
I'm sorry. It is GVs on a hillside. I just killed myself.
Ah.
Can't be very much left.
Yeah, as much as you may admire them, Dobbs, the P-38 is not a tornado.
Admire tornadoes? Never. See if I can get airborne in the town here. Doesn't look very promising.
What's that?
Getting airborne in the town.
No.
I can do this.
Oh, there it is.
But there is a runway here.
An emergency runway or what?
Yeah, it's just a little short one. It's on the east side. I'm gonna get airborne.
Huh. And smoke quit.
You find it?
Yeah, I had it and then the smoke quit.
Yeah, so it is halfway down that valley, right before there's a branching valley off to the east. And there shouldn't be very much left, but there is some GVs there.
Right.
We are in the combined arms. Now that you're here, we can do a practice flyby. But
Wait a minute.
we're bombing Tank Field 39 right now. Is your dad all right?
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay.
Oh, I got something down there. Carrier. Yeah, and 2 GVs just spawned.
Yep. There should have been 2 left. I killed one of them.
Found them. Yeah, they're right on the side of the hill.
Okay, what's left down there to close it? This is just a good looking terrain.
Ain't no lie there.
Well, it looks like possibly one building up. I'm in. Maybe some more stuff off down the valley to the south. Yeah, building's indestructible, it looks like.
There's a bridge, yeah, down there.
Yeah?
Right over here.
The bridge must be tied to it then, huh? I'm in on an ammo dump, I think. Suspected truck park.
Yeah, it's a bridge.
You see it?
The truck park or the bridge?
The bridge.
Yeah, I'm right over the bridge.
Okay, I'm coming to you and looking for you. Oh, I see it. I'm up. All right.
25s.
You got bombas?
No, I used it done.
Okay, I am in bridge.
Cody performing BDA.
Bombs away. Right hand, well, eastern span. Oh, I may have deaded it. I deaded it. Damn it.
Yep. No joy.
And strafe, eastern span.
Strafe him?
Yeah, you can strafe them.
There it goes.
A dock, no less.
Is that the whole bridge or just?
That's it. Back up the valley to strafe what's little things are left.
But
There's a whole series of stuff down here. It looks like probably tanks. We'll see in a minute. Yep, we can't kill those with bullets.
I see some nice goat trails. I see the indestructible building.
That may be an ammo net thing just west of the indestructible building that's shimmering black and white.
Roger.
See if I can strafe that down. There we go.
Nice.
There's a truck parked just outside of it. Do not know if that's tied to it.
Yeah, I did not see the truck. Someone shooting at you.
That's it. You see that?
That's friendly artillery.
Yeah, so they're shooting at the tanks that are parked. Oh, no, there's... We don't get icons on enemy GVs. There's 3 GVs down in the valley.
So if it's shimmery, it's a target.
Yeah, these are tanks. Can't kill them.
Can't even track them.
No, not with 50s. Something's shooting at me from this way. I don't know what.
Yeah.
Oh, more shit moving.
You got the eyes of an owl or something.
52-inch monitor.
Oh, you suck. I mean, seriously. You sit in the back of the room and fly?
I'm 3 feet from it. It's really my old flat screen TV. I don't know how you young guys do it.
Young guys, right. I'm 62, dude.
I know. It was a joke. Hey, we got it contested.
I'm still young.
Oh, you young squirts out here. Just now green, you're here.
Bihek is our ranking member, I think.
Is he really?
66 and a half.
And Fepper is what, 63 Bihek?
I think that's right.
You guys don't look a day over 80.
I am going
Oh, yeah, I
the
feel
wrong,
90.
wrong freaking way here. It's a fun looking valley.
Love this valley stuff.
Come Troop 39 Dogger, get points, man. It's important.
Dogger's in a Mossy.
Cool. Cutting grass again there, Dobbs?
I am. John Deere, baby. It's down, by the way, Dogger. We just need to get troops into it now.
Still AFK, I believe.
Ah.
Okay, I'm back. Where are we?
We were waiting for you to troop 39 that we just took.
Oh, I have bombs.
Oh, well, go blow something up then.
Is there anything left to blow up?
Not at 39.
You bring squishies, yeah.
Ooh, what happened to the bombers I was about to shoot?
They disappeared.
I saw
Kinda died.
that.
Finger 4 up there above you.
I was about to say, good looking 4-ship up there, huh?
It sure is. Damn, they're all JUs.
The hell's the key to jump to the bombardier?
Why?
I
Thank
Because
you.
he,
looked through his keypad too.
Lou Costello would say, because he needs to jump at the bombardier.
I was expecting some shit back from that. Nothing like IMC in the mountains.
Man, I would have given good money to been at Crater Lake when that flight of P-38s flew around inside the rim.
Yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
God almighty.
Dogger, did you see that 38 cockpit video that I posted up?
Yeah, I did.
I see him throwing that damn yoke around.
Yeah, I did.
Shh, there he is.
Can you hear me?
No, Pepper, are you there?
That's me.
Did somebody pass gas?
It's Pepper, but I can't hear him again.
Don't be pulling my leg. Can you hear me?
No,
Yeah,
I
that,
can't hear you.
That video motivated me to go fix the roll rate on the J. Alright, I blew a bunch of shit up. Man, these things are like nuclear weapons.
Are you guys up in the main combined arms?
Yeah, we are in the combined arms. I am inbound in a troop carrier, man, because I rock. If I had, can I fall off a cliff of this thing, or do I fly?
What are you running?
Something APC-5, bunch of grunts in the back.
64 is pretty dead if anybody has bombs.
84?
Yeah, 84, whatever that number is. Oh, something shooting at me though.
I'll bring bombs.
Yeah, you can flip your troop carrier.
Well, it's good to know, because I am touching ground occasionally.
Axe are still up. Some buildings.
They probably spawned the ack wagons.
No, I see the axe that are shooting at me.
Ah. Oh, here we go. BMX time, baby. Oh, caught air. Shit hot.
Yeah, you can catch air in them too. We used to do that in Jeep races.
Yeah, my wife does that driving to work.
No matter how much I stomp on the rudder, it doesn't turn the wheel. Ooh, I scraped my nose.
damn runway out here?
Spawn 3.
Mountains are tall.
Yeah, they are. Woohoo! Look at that. I'm famous. You boys want to take a lap around the track there?
I suppose.
Tell you what, Dogger, you lead. Put these boys on your wing, and I'll see how it.
Okay.
Are you all doing the formation?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why, just take off?
Yeah. But I'm in the silk right now.
Oh, well, you didn't need to do that. I could have TX'd you.
That's okay. What's a few thousand? Oh, for Christ's sake! Really? I'm floating down the slope.
Fepper, quit discoing.
I spent a couple hours online with SentryTel today, but they didn't help.
Go to OTR. Where are you guys at?
It's going to be 36. So, what do they say, Fepper?
Well, just when I thought I was getting somewhere and they were sending me to tech support, I discoed. So I'm going to try them again tomorrow morning.
Oh, now wait a minute. Now you were on the computer with them?
Well, they told me to go to chat and answer their questions there and that, and so I was doing that, and then the guy says, well, I'm going to send you, he was an agent evidently, and he was going to send me to tech support, and then it discoed me.
That's funny as shit.
Did he be talking with a fierce accent?
That's almost as funny as me getting a call from True Green telling me how bad my yard looks and how well they can make it look, and then I tell them that they obviously didn't do their homework because True Green is currently taking care of my yard. That did not end well. And they don't talk to each other because they called again a week later. My wife got the pleasure of talking to them. And then I got a quality assurance call just to see how happy I am. And that did not go well for them at all. All right, so Fepper, are you back in the arena?
Yeah, which field?
Field 36, 38J.
Red is the country?
Green.
Roger.
Dogger, what's the command to change my speed for CMI mode?
Slew feet. 5,000's good. Slew feet space 5,000.
Oh, that's not very... Oh, that slew space?
Feet.
Oh.
Slew feet space 5,000.
Oh, that's really good. Thank you.
I am on the runway. 36.
Fuel load.
Yeah,
Hey, there
70,
you
I
go.
believe is what we said.
Yep.
OTR.
Hang on one second.